All right, just gonna do a quick video on this Miller welder on the trailer. Got a toolbox in the front here, storage. Got pictures of that. Got your fire extinguisher. It's a pretty nice little setup. 10 feet long, 5 feet wide. Got the vise on the back. Go ahead and fire it up real quick here. Showing 1165. Quick little demo. If you want to come check it out, come on down December 12th. That's from 9 to 4's preview day. Also, these tires are like brand new on this thing. There you have it. We'll see you guys preview day. Auctions on the 13th at 7 p.m. Thanks for watching.